Ready to shred some gnar?
I'm ready to shred some. Get your toe side down. Show me how you're gonna do it. Oh! That's the backpack on the lift. What's up, everybody? Another family trip for Misty's birthday. First trip that Cody's coming.
What's up? I made it.
We're in Tahoe right now. We're gonna go snowboarding this trip, and this is our Airbnb. This cabin is crazy. Look at the dining table. This is the living room area. We have a fireplace and a hot tub outside. And look, it's sunset. I know. And we got so much food, you guys. Look how much food we got. We are stocked up for the century. We went to Whole Foods real quick, and now we're back at the Airbnb. We just got some frozen pizza. We're gonna take some.
We're gonna christen the house.
Christen the house with some 1942. Thanks, Dad.
Thanks, Dad.
Thanks, Dad. We have our pizzas just made, fire going, some beers in the snow over there. Pepperoni pizza.
Best seat in the house, baby.
Today is the first day in Tahoe snowboarding, and my pants won't zip. This time snowboarding, I'm going to wear butt pads. So my snow pants fit before, but with the butt pads, it's not zipping up. I don't think I showed you guys upstairs yesterday, but this is what the cute room looks like. Just the second floor. Good morning, everybody. Morning. They're having breakfast, and it's Misty's birthday. We just got to the ski resort. Everyone's all suited up. Cody's getting our lift passes. Got all of our rentals here. And we are ready. We went to Big Bear last year, but this is our first time in Tahoe. Misty wants to do a snowboard trip every year for her birthday. So you're gonna get your toe side down? Yes. Show me how you're gonna do it. Oh! Ah, baby! Anything she can't take her parents paid it.
Name a time and the place and your game for it. Value brand, hotel room, meet you there.
Cheers! Cheers!
Pretty good. Like cinnamony, right? Addicted to champagne.
Oh my gosh, look at us. Falling. Ready to shred some gnar?
I'm ready to shred some.
Let's go. We got 3 Vietnamese, one Filipino. Yeah.
Too much distance.
That's my girl right there. She's sexy as fuck.
I'm scared.
You got this. You got this, love. Yeah. Look at us. Dude, she's a boss.
I don't think I could handle another flat side, baby.
The flat side?
I don't think I could handle another one. Just want it to be downhill, like none of that straight flat stuff.
None of that flat shit. Yeah, the flat shit got us, huh?
I mean, it's my fault because I stopped.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah. On camera, baby.
We used the cement and now we're at the tarmac getting
Replenished.
some food. Got a beef and bean chili. So cheesy.
So,
Oh, dang it. Did you get any fun runs?
dude, we went all
went-
over.
We went up to the top.
We went all the way left.
There's fries and there's
Fries
like
are
a
good.
vegetarian 3-bean chili.
Oh.
Vegetarian?
Then over here, we'll switch all the way over and go all the way across. Yeah. Keep it nice and wide. Yeah. There you go. See? Nice and easy. There goes Matt taking out his own knee. Oh no, she caught an edge. Fuck yeah, look at her go. Killing it. Killing it. Oh, dude, you're getting it, baby. See?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good, solid run for the girl. Great run, baby.
Thank you for teaching me.
Hey! Yes, sir.
The two heroes return from their long journey up to the lift.
All right, we've got hard workers in the kitchen. It's our turn to make breakfast. We like some breakfast burritos with chorizo and like fajita veggies and onions. It's gonna be pretty fire. We got potatoes in the oven already. Mama Tran over there. I was making the fire, but she took over, which is she's killing it. Miranda handling her sausage. Oh.
You know, like nunchucks?
Yeah, dude. Oh.
Empty these out into the bowl. Into the dog bowl.
Into the dog bowl.
Well, I used it to miss potatoes. I didn't realize it was a dog bowl until after. So me and Cody were put on breakfast duty today. Vegan chorizo burritos today with some fajita veggies, some potatoes, and chorizo. And some cilantro, love.
Oh.
Did the other one not come with cilantro? Ay.
My bad. Cilantro.
Nah.
Damn.
Yeah, that's kind of a lot, yeah. Huh?
Sure.
We're like the same person. Same thought, like process time and process time. Some cilantro. This guy showing
10 hours later.
Yeah. Breakfast is served. Mia made us a salad. It's like some avocado and some tomato and some cilantro. And our breakfast burritos are done. Wow. And we got some cut up. What kind of oranges are those? Cara oranges. There's some pieces left. That was supposed to be mom and dad's. So everybody basically ate a burrito. Everybody said it was a 10 out of 10. And said it was really good, so. Right, everyone? Right, yeah, yeah.
She really did say it. She's not forcing it.
Good job. We did it. Actually don't have, I forgot to bring a hairbrush. Yeah, my mom said don't bring a backpack. Yesterday we were on the mountain and Cody left the backpack on the lift, so we lost it. But we found it. Somebody returned it to Lost and Found, so thank you to whoever did that.
No, I just knew that I was tired of carrying it, so I just left on the lift. I knew that someone would bring it back to the bottom of the mountain for us.
Right. This is right outside of our cabin here. This is what the cabin looks like. Really huge. They even have like these bare, and Cody forgot his phone. They even have these like bare wires so they stay away and don't damage the property or eat us. I got a Columbia jacket from REI. It's purple. I got a rental bib on. Crew neck sweatshirt. Let's see your fit, Matt.
My electric blue pants.
Electric blue pants. All right.
Decade old. Curtain jacket.
Sounds a decade old. Listen.
Thanks, Mom.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, Matt.
We're getting more efficient.
Here she is. The #1 shredder. #1 shredder for days. This one, huh? Over. Cross. Get on your toe side. There it is. There it is.
So we're waiting here. Cody lost the GoPro, but he has the backpack. So he's walking up to find it now. Misty got her toe side down. Yeah.
I hiked all of this and left the GoPro, which I got in my hand. So thankfully, we got it back.
So tonight was Matt and Misty's turn making dinner. And look at what they did. Jesus Christ.
So this is marry me chickpeas. So he's getting married first. And then
Okay.
these are roasted Brussels sprouts.
Ooh.
Caramelized as well.
Caramelized.
And then we
Ooh.
have toasted bread with mozzarella cheese, and then pasta if you want us to eat some with your chickpeas or pasta, or salad. In this, there is a random piece of penne pasta in there. Whoever gets the random piece cooks dinner tomorrow, or cooks breakfast tomorrow.
Did you guys do that on purpose?
Yeah. No. We just made it like.
Okay, let's see who gets the piece of pasta. Thank you guys for dinner. Everybody, 1, 2, 3, yo! Yo!
Happy birthday, Miss
Happy birthday, Misty.
Right there.
So tell us, what do we have for breakfast on our 3rd day in Tahoe?
Inca stew. It's a Peruvian dish. Added bell peppers, onions, garlic.
Some of the potatoes that you guys didn't use yesterday.
Nice, okay, cool. Oh my gosh.
Thyme is the biggest ingredient.
They woke up at 5:45. They didn't read the cook time. Or Alex didn't read the cook.
It's got the white on top, black on the bottom.
Damn, mommy. Damn, girl, with that white jacket and all, looking like a snow princess. Looking like Elsa up in here. They're coming with us this time on the gondola. But they're gonna go snow tubing. Are you ready? I'm ready. Look at my mom. She's Facebook living. Come on, kids, let's go. Oh! Oh my God! Did you throw it in his face? Oh no, my parents are going snow tubing. Okay. Bye, have fun. Yeah. My mom said it hurts her ass.
Like your skinny or whatever. Like rice types of like rice pilaf, is that something?
Oh Lord. I am looking crazy. Good morning. I did not bring a hairbrush on this trip. I've just been brushing with my fingers. But today is our last day. We're gonna head to the airport shortly in about like 2 hours. Steve brought me a matcha latte in bed.